Okay, real talk. What's the scariest thing you can think of? Spiders, heights, public speaking? Well, let me introduce you to something that makes all of those look like a relaxing Sunday afternoon. I'm talking about black holes. And honestly, they're so terrifyingly awesome that I can't stop thinking about them. Stick around because what I'm about to tell you is going to blow your mind and probably keep you up tonight. Alright, so imagine you're a star. Not like Hollywood famous, but literally a giant ball of fire in space. You're huge, maybe 25 times bigger than our sun, and you've been living your best life for millions of years just burning bright and looking fabulous. But here's the brutal reality, even stars don't live forever. You've been fighting this epic battle your whole life between your nuclear fusion trying to blow you apart and gravity trying to crush you. It's like an eternal arm wrestling match, and for most of your life, fusion is winning. But then one day you run out of gas, game over. What happens next is absolutely mental. In less than a second, seriously faster than it takes you to say, oh crap, your core collapses from Earth-size to smaller than Manhattan. Picture trying to squeeze our entire planet into something the size of New York City. The sheer violence of this collapse creates a shockwave so intense it literally blows your outer layers into space in the most spectacular fireworks show the universe has ever seen. We call it a supernova, but that sounds way too pretty for what's actually happening. Meanwhile, your core just keeps collapsing and collapsing until it becomes something that breaks every rule we thought we knew about reality. Congratulations, you're now a black hole, and you're absolutely terrifying. Here's where things get properly messed up. Around every black hole is this invisible line called the event horizon, and it's basically the universe's ultimate do not cross sign. Step over this line, and that's it. There's no going back, no changing your mind, no calling for help. Even light can't escape, which is why we call them black holes in the first place. But wait, it gets worse. Say you somehow found yourself falling toward one of these cosmic nightmares. You might think you'd just fall in and that would be that, right? Wrong. You'd get stretched out like taffy in the world's most horrific torture device. Scientists have this adorably casual name for it. Spaghettification. Cute, right? The gravity at your feet would be so much stronger than at your head that you'd literally get pulled apart atom by atom. And the worst part? You'd probably be conscious for most of it. Now, if that wasn't disturbing enough, let's talk about how black holes mess with time itself. You know how Einstein said time is relative? Well, black holes take that concept and absolutely run with it. If someone was watching you fall in from a safe distance, they'd see you slow down like you're moving through thick honey until you appear to freeze right at the edge, slowly fading away like a ghost. But from your perspective, you're falling normally, while the entire universe outside ages thousands of years in what feels like minutes to you. It's like the ultimate cosmic time warp. So what's actually inside these monsters? This is where things get really weird, and I mean really weird. At the center, physicists think there's something called a singularity, basically a point where all the rules of physics throw up their hands and quit. Infinite density, space and time folding in on themselves like origami made by a drunk person. Our best equations look at a singularity and basically say, nope, we're out. But here's the kicker. Some scientists think singularities might not even exist. Maybe there's some quantum weirdness we haven't figured out yet. Or maybe the matter just gets compressed into something incredibly dense, but not actually infinite. The truth is, we might never know because black holes seem to destroy information, which according to quantum mechanics should be impossible. It's like the universe is playing a practical joke on physicists. And get this, these cosmic monsters aren't just sitting out there being scary for fun. There's a supermassive black hole at the center of our own galaxy that's 4 million times heavier than our sun. It's literally sitting in our cosmic backyard, probably influencing how our entire galaxy behaves. Sleep tight. Look, black holes are basically the universe showing off, creating something so extreme that it challenges everything we think we know about reality. They're cosmic puzzles that make our smartest scientists scratch their heads and go, well, that shouldn't be possible. Every time we think we've got them figured out, they surprise us with something even more mind-bending. So here's my question for you. What do you think is really going on inside a black hole? Are they doorways to parallel universes? Time machines? The universe's recycling centers? I genuinely want to know what you think because honestly, your guess is probably as good as any physicist's right now. Drop your wildest theories in the comments because I read every single one, and some of you come up with ideas that are absolutely brilliant. And if this video made you question everything you thought you knew about space and time, smash that like button and subscribe.